Hello everyone, and welcome back to Master English Hub. In today's lesson, we are going to learn everything you need to know about the past simple tense in English. By the end of this video, you will understand when to use it, how to form it, which expressions help you recognize it, and you'll practice with examples. So make sure you watch until the end to really master it. What is the past simple? The past simple tense is used to talk about actions or situations that happened in the past and are finished. The time of the action can be specific, like yesterday, last year, or in 2010, or it can be understood from the context. Examples: I watched a movie yesterday. She visited her grandmother last weekend. They traveled to Spain in 2022. Notice, all of these actions are completed. That's why we use past simple. How to form the past simple. A. Affirmative sentences. For regular verbs, we add ed to the base form. Play, played. Work, worked. Example: I played football yesterday. She worked hard last week. Spelling rules: if the verb ends with e, just add d. Love, loved. If the verb ends with a consonant plus y, change y to ied. Study to studied. If it's a short verb ending in consonant-vowel-consonant, double the last consonant. Stop, stopped. For irregular verbs, there is no rule. You must learn them by heart. Go, went. Eat, ate. Have, had. Buy, bought. Example: she went to the park. I ate pizza last night. B. Negative sentences. Formula: did not, didn't, plus base form of verb. I didn't play football yesterday. He didn't go to the party. Remember, after didn't, we use the base verb, not the past form. I didn't went. I didn't go. C. Questions. Formula: did plus subject plus base form of verb. Did you watch the movie? Did she finish her homework? Again, after did, we use the base verb. When to use the past simple. 1. Completed actions in the past. I visited London in 2020. 2. Past habits, but not now. When I was a child, I played in the street every day. 3. A series of past events. He woke up, brushed his teeth, and left the house. 4. Past facts or states. The Romans built many roads. She was very happy yesterday. Time expressions with the past simple. These expressions often tell us the action happened in the past. Yesterday, last night. Last week, last year. Ago, 2 days ago. 5 minutes ago. In 2010, in 1999, a specific year. When I was a child. Then, after that. Examples: I met him yesterday. She traveled to France last summer. They arrived 2 hours ago. Examples in all forms. Affirmative: I watched TV last night. She cooked dinner yesterday. Negative: I didn't watch TV last night. She didn't cook dinner yesterday. Questions: did you watch TV last night? Did she cook dinner yesterday? If this lesson was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it, so you can keep improving your English step by step. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.